Hi guys, thanks again for joining me, Kennedy, here at Ken the Wiz. And today I'll be showing you the different features for Windows 10. We'll be looking at the different applications that it comes with, the settings, and the little advantages that it has over the previous operating system. So stay tuned and let's learn together. If it is your first time being here, please hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. Hello and welcome again to our continuation, the second part of where we are discussing the various features for Windows 10. If you haven't checked on our part 1, please find the link in the description. Okay, today I'll be taking you a bit further to another application known as the video editor. So from your search bar, just search video editor. This was another free application that comes with Windows 10. In the previous version of operating system, that is Windows 7 and Windows 8 and 8.1, the video editor was not included, so Microsoft thought it wise that they need to include a free feature or a free application known as the video editor. This is another versatile program which you can use to create and edit your videos. As you can see, you just come to the new video project. You can make videos from your photos. Once you click onto the new video project, it will prompt you for what to add. So we have this, the project library and the project storyboard down here. This is known as this project storyboard. Whatever you have here, you'll have to place it in the storyboard so that all the content you shall have placed in the storyboard shall be merged together to make the final video. I'll make another series of video showing you how to use the video editor. But for now, you can go and check it out if you're using Windows 10. It's a free feature that comes with Windows 10. The fourth application that comes with Windows 10 is the snip and sketch. Guys, this one actually function as the snipping tool with only added feature, the sketching part. So from here, if you open your snip and sketch from the search bar, once you come to new, it will prompt you to select which kind of shape do you want to use. We have the rectangle, we have the free shape, we have the window snip, and we have the full screen snip. So if you go to the rectangle, this will prompt you to give a selection of the part you want to capture. Once you capture like this, we have what these functions here which comes. They are activated once you screenshot a section of your picture. You've taken the picture you want to edit. So with this, you can easily edit your picture by use of these effects. Here we have the ballpoint, here we have the pencil, and we have the save here. So these other features were never included in the snipping tool, which was originally in Windows 7. So if you're using the Windows 10 version, please go and check it out. Another setting that comes with the Windows 10 is the color setting. In your search bar, just type color setting. Sometimes Actually, you've seen very many people who are very much glued to their computers. They get their eyes getting so much irritated by the light. So Microsoft actually thought of another feature where they introduced the dark mode. In this new Windows, in this new operating system, there is the dark mode and the light mode. So maybe during the night where the light is so much, you can't change your Windows system to the dark mode. Just come to the color settings and come to choose your color, light or dark. So once you click onto dark, you'll see the whole Windows system will take the dark theme or the dark mode. And you can actually change the accent color, or you can choose automatically so that it will blend with the color of the Windows, or you can choose your own from here. As for now, you can see it is the spot green, which you can see here. If I change it to red, you can now see the difference here. So that is what we call the accent background color. If you leave it to automatic, you'll see it will go back to the default blue color for Windows. If you choose to go back to light, you can go back to light mode from the same color settings, and your window shall change depending on your preference, whether you need a light mode or a dark mode. So guys, stay tuned for more updates, for more features for Windows 10. If you're new here in this channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and comment below. Thank you.